Hi mga kachi! Good evening, mayang gabi. Ayan, sa mga bago pa nakatanaw sa akong channel, if you are new to my channel, please click subscribe button and hit the notification bell para mas updated kayo if I have new videos. Ayan, of course, para naman sa mga subscribers ko na, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng aking video. So the content of this video is we're gonna do unboxing. Ayan, charot. So this is a package through LBC from USANA Essential. Yan, USANA Essential Health Philippines Incorporated. So ayan, so let's start unboxing it. Okay, so I'm so excited, you know why? Because ever since talaga when I was first assigned in far-flung areas, no? Before my first assignment, when I was first assigned in DepEd, rural area, far-flung areas, so doon ako na-assign sa, Diyos ko Lord, piso na lang talaga yung pamasahe papuntang langit. So, I take USANA, I take this, and now, ayan. Tcharan! Ito po yung, ano niya, ito po yung laman. So, iisa-isahin po natin yung laman. So, ito, meron siyang, Philippine Association Application International Sponsor Agreement. Ayan. So, USANA, ito yung sponsor agreement nila. And then, meron din siyang bag. Ayan. Napakaganda eco bag. So, talagang Laudato Si. Ayan. So, ano siya sa kapaligiran. Ayan. Siyempre naman, kapag dinadala mo itong mga products na to, kailangan talagang gumamit ka ng ganito. Kailangan na makikarton mo, diba? Hindi siya continuous. So, maraming salamat, USANA, for this. This is very beautiful and eco bag. And then, of course, this is getting started. Yan. Business workbook. Ayan. So, dito malalaman yung mga action plan, yung mga paano siya gawin, di ba? Ano yung mga in-announce niya, and then yung mga contact list ng mga customers mo, o kaya mga prospects mo, no? Yung mga friends mo na gusto mong tulungan din magkaroon ng healthy living. Ayan, so, and then, these are the products. Okay, so the first battle is, I'm going to discuss to you, charot, Biomega. This has fish oil concentrate food supplement capsule. So, as we all know that fish oil is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids and also good for the heart and protect brain damages. So, ayan. So, alam nyo, talagang nung nag-masters ako, nung kumuha ako ng master's degree, talagang nag-take ako ng Biomega. Yes, and it really helps me contain my composure, of course, in my study and everything. Yeah, it really helps me get back in the track. Ayan. So, I have two of this. And the next is USANA Proflavanol C. This has vitamin C plus grape seed extract. Ayan, so Proflavanol gives antioxidant protection and support a balanced immune system with grape seed extract to give you the best powerful tablet that you can have. So again, it is a really good source of vitamin C and everything has it, no? So ito yung talagang kailangan mo kapag banat na banat ka sa buong maghapon mo. So you really have this. Ayan. Now, dito tayo sa product na Cell Essentials. Ito talaga yung mabenta talaga sa USANA, no? Itong Cell Essentials, napakarami talaga ng benefits dito. Bakit? Kasi dito sa isang bottle na to, multivitamins plus herbs plus choline bitartrate, alpha lipoic acid and coenzyme Q10 plus lycopene. Ayan. So sa isang capsule lang nito, talagang hitik na. So you will not go wrong from this, you know? And then of course, this one is minerals plus ascorbic acid. So ayan. So bakit kailangan silang pagsamahin? Kasi nga to give you fully protections and of course nourish the cell of your body. Alright, so and then of course again, Cell Essentials nourish, protect, and renew the health of your cells so you can be at your best every day with the USANA Cell Essentials. Alam nyo, tayo mga nagtatrabaho, banat na tayo sa buong mag-araw. So, hindi sapat yung mga kinakain lamang natin. So, kinakailangan tayong mag-take nito again as it nourish, protect, and renew the cells in our body and the health as well. Ayan, so, and then now, this is the next is the Magnecal D. Ayan, the USANA Magnecal D. Minerals plus cholecalciferol or what we call the vitamin D3. So, gano'n nga ba ka-importante ang mineral plus vitamin D sa ating katawan? Why? Why take this? It will build a strong foundation for your active life with a carefully balanced bone-building supplement to maintain muscle and nerve function and cardiovascular health. Ayan, so sino yung may problema sa cardiovascular? This is really good for you. I'm telling you that. Okay? And then, next is the USANA Kekunon. Ayan. Kokinon 30. Okay, so coenzyme Q10 plus alpha lipoic acid food supplement capsules. Ayan, so ay nakalimutan ko pala. Each bottle has 56 capsules. Ayan. So again, this is Coquinone 30 and what para saan ito? Give your cellular power plants what they need to keep you energized. Again, it will make you energized. Plus, get potent antioxidant protection with coenzyme Q10. So, meaning to say, kapag sinabing plus, get potent antioxidant, alam naman natin, no, yung mga nahihirapan talaga na magkaanak, no, may mga potency problems. So, ito yung best sa inyo. Yan, because again, it will help you get potent antioxidant protection with coenzyme Q10 plus alpha lipoic acid. And of course, hindi lang yan, it is also good for the heart organs and tissues and muscle function. So, talaga namang sa isang, sa isang tablet na ito, or sa isang capsule na ito, talagang sulit na sulit ang pera mo. So, alam naman natin na mga pagkain na kinakain natin sa araw-araw, hindi natin alam kung saan ang galing, kung pesticide-free ba, at saka hindi rin 100% na lahat ng mga vitamins at minerals na kailangan ng ating katawan to reproduce or to nourish our cells or to prevent it from broken or from damage, hindi masusubok ang ating mga kinakain na araw-araw na makukuha natin lahat yon. So, this food supplement is very, very good again, to boost our immune system and to regenerate our cells. And of course, lalong-lalo na ngayon na pandemic, di ba? So, talagang napakaganda ng product na ito. Talagang timely ang product na ito, no? Dahil talagang makakatulong ito sa pag-boost ng ating immune system at saka to counterfeit COVID-19. Ayan. And then of course, I do have this USANA whitening toothpaste. So, ang magam nyo naman na talagang pagiging maputi ang ngipin ay talagang nakakaganda, nakakadagdag ng points. Ayan. So ipapakita ko muna ang iba pang naman. Ayan. So, we have this getting started booklet. And then, tingnan natin kung ano to. This is, para siyang checkbook. I wish check ito. Okay, this is, oh my God! USANA Trust Receipt. Ayan, trust receipt siya. No, so nakalagay dito sold to kapag syempre may bumibili. Ayan. So bongga yung USANA for that. Ayan, thank you for this. And then I have this USANA Business Essentials. Ayan. So ito yung mga benefits, no? Yung talagang nahihirapan pa talaga yung prompters ko sa pagre-research. Andito lang pala yung mga kailangan namin basahin. Well, ngayon na lang talaga namin nalaman, but at least we do the research. And yung prompters talaga, yung prompters ko talagang doon sa sa official talaga na informations from USANA. Ayan, so this is really good. I will have to read this. Ayan, and then product information guide. Yan. Andito yung USANA whitening toothpaste. So, basahin ko na lang ha. Okay, sinasabi dito, USANA whitening toothpaste featuring ADP1. ADP1 is a postbiotic, removes impurities for a deeper clean. So, yung mga teeth na talagang yellowish, yung mga teeth na talagang napakahirap, yung talagang nagtutoothbrush ka na nagtutoothbrush, pero na yung mga nagagasgasin yung mga gilagid mo pero hindi pa pumuputi talaga yung ngipin mo, you have to try this, no? Because again, it removes impurities for a deeper clean and scientifically proven to whiten and polish teeth. And again, it's fluoride free, not tested on animals. Ayan, and then of course, what's this? Oh, this is the wealth. So, enough for this. Ayan. And then also, I have this bag. Ayan. So, thank you for this, USANA. Thank you for this. And of course, if you want to order for this product or if you want to be a part of my team, I put in the description button, in the description area, kung saan pwede to try this product. Okay, thank you sa panunood ninyo, and I really do hope that I give you some ample informations. For more information, kung ano yung gusto nyo, just comment it below. Bye! Have a nice day mga katsi!